Hi, this is your day 90 of English speaking practice for 90 days. Today's topic is that topic which topic we should pick topic money versus happiness. Okay, only money. Why money most important in life? So I am talking about money. Money is most important things in our life, because if you have a money, then you can buy anything from money. You can buy happiness. Those people are very wrong who is telling you can't buy happiness from money. Totally wrong. You can buy happiness from money, because for example, if you're very stressed in your home, in your town, in your city, very stressed, living very stressful life, then if you have a money, then you have to go anywhere. Like you can go in Pahad areas, you can go in Bidesh, you can go in Simla, you can go in Dubai for roaming. If you have a roam, if you go out of your city, town, gaon, then you will automatically happy, because when you are free, a mind, when you have a stress-free life, then you have to enjoy your life. So money can buy happiness. I have already tell the example. Money can buy happiness. This is true. Those person who is telling money is not important in life, happiness important in life, money. So first of all, I want to tell you, money is matter a lot in life. Money, only one thing is important in life, money. Because money is not everything. So if you are telling, then you have to more money. If you have not more money, then you can't say money is everything. If you are telling without money is not everything, you are totally wrong. Your mind, your psychology of mind, your presence of mind, your everything's mind, totally wrong. Your philosophy according to your life, for your life, your philosophy for your life is totally wrong, because money is everything. If you are telling money is not everything, then you have to more money, you have to earn more money. Those person who want to tell money is not everything, he already earn lot of money, then he is telling money is not everything. When you are telling money is not everything without money, then your philosophy is totally wrong. Once upon a time, Shah Rukh Khan said, first become rich, then become philosopher. This is true line. First become rich, then become philosopher. This is very honest and very true lines. And follow everyone. If you are telling money is not everything without money, then you are totally wrong. By mind, by philosophy, totally wrong. I want to tell you one more things. If you have money, you can earn also respect. So many respect. If a person don't respect you, then when you earn money, when you are so many and bunch of money, then throw on her mouth, then you automatically stop. Money can stop your mouth. anyone mouth. Money, anyone mouth can stop instantly. Then automatically he's appreciating you. Wow, Bhaiya is very good. Bhaiya is very intelligent. Bhaiya is very great. He also already telling because of money. So money is very important in life. If you have a no girl, no any fam, then you have to, if you have money, then you have to go anywhere with any girl. If you have money, if you have no respect, no value, because of you have not a money. If you have a money, then you have to live a luxurious life. If you are living a luxurious life, then automatically people are respecting you, telling a great man, and your personality automatically increase. People are saying please focus on personality development, communication skill, and so many things, and dress up yourself, dress up your face, clean up your face. So many things are people are telling, but I want to tell you, but just focus on money, how to earn more money. If you have a more money, then automatically your personality, your communication skill, your dress up, your sense of humor, a sense of anything automatically increased because of money. Money is so powerful things. Money is a big things in the world. You can buy anything from money, anything. If you think, then you have to buy. And one more thing I will tell you, earn money because of don't because of you have to enjoy your life. People are looking, you are so many rich, how living a luxurious life. This is not true. Don't earn money because of this. Earn money because of your parent can proud of you, and in the age of 16, 17, your parent can proud of you, and you are only one way to save parent life and by health because of money. Because your parent health down in the age of 16, 17, then if you have not a money, then how can you take care of your parent? How can you take care of parent? If you have not money, how can you take care of your parent? Please comment down your answer. So please earn money because of your parent truly depend on you in the age of 50, 16. If your parent unfortunately health is very down, dangerous situation, then if you have money, then you have to take care of your parent in any big hospital or any other things. If you have not a money, then how can you take care of your parent? You can't take care of parent without a money. So money is important. I also know. So I am doing so many things. I am doing freelancing, I am doing college, I am going college with doing many things like freelancing, skill development, and learning digital marketing, performance marketing, and coding, and so many things I am learning new skill because I want to earn more money. I have only one life. In this life I have to achieve many things. I want to travel my parent to the world in the aeroplane, in the Bidesh and Myanmar, so many things, US, Dubai, so many things. I want to travel with my parents, with my family. This is possible because of money. Only when one way to possible these things, money. So I am earning money, I am focused on money, and continue learning, because if you learn, then you have to learn, then after the learn, then remove L, automatically earn, because money is byproduct. If you are solving any problem, then you have to automatically earn money, then people also paying for you. Just solve the problem and earn money. That's it for today. Meet today 20s.